How to Fix Google Flow Access Issues 2026 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you're trying to access Google Flow and running into access issues. Maybe you are getting permission errors, the page is not loading, or you simply cannot get into your workspace. Let me walk you through all the fixes right now. Let's get into it. What is Google Flow real quick for anyone new to this? Google Flow is Google's AI-powered workflow and automation platform that helps teams build and manage automated processes. Access issues are one of the most commonly reported problems, especially for new users and workspace administrators, so you are definitely not alone. Fix 1. Check your Google account permissions. The most common cause of access issues with Google Flow is simply not having the right permissions enabled on your Google account. Google Flow access is typically managed at the workspace admin level. If you are an employee or team member, contact your Google Workspace administrator and ask them to verify that Google Flow is enabled for your account and your organizational unit. Admins can grant access through the Google Admin Console under Apps and additional Google services. Fix 2. Make sure you are signed into the right account. This catches a lot of people out. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signed into the correct one that has Flow access enabled. Check the account icon in the top right corner of your browser and switch to the right account if needed. Google Flow access is tied to specific workspace accounts, and personal Gmail accounts may not have the same permissions as your work account. Fix 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. A corrupted cache is a very common cause of access and loading issues across all Google products, including Flow. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files and cookies are both checked and hit Clear Data. After clearing, reload the Google Flow page and try accessing it again with a fresh browser session. Fix 4. Try a different browser or incognito mode. If clearing the cache does not fix it, try opening Google Flow in a completely different browser or in an incognito window. Press Ctrl-Shift-N to open incognito in Chrome, navigate to Flow, and sign in fresh. If it works in incognito, the issue is likely a browser extension or cached data conflict in your regular session. Try disabling extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Fix 5. Check if Google Flow is available in your region. Google Flow is still rolling out across different regions and workspace tiers in 2026. If you are getting an access error, it is possible that Flow has not yet been fully enabled for your region or your specific Google Workspace plan. Check Google's official Workspace updates page or contact Google Workspace support to confirm whether Flow is available for your account tier and location. Fix 6. Contact your workspace admin or Google support. If none of the above fixes have resolved your access issue, the next step is going straight to the source. If you are part of an organization, contact your Google Workspace administrator and ask them to review your access permissions in the admin console. If you manage your own workspace, contact Google Workspace support directly through support.google.com and explain the exact access error you are seeing. And those are all the fixes for Google Flow access issues in 2026. Check your permissions, verify your account, clear your cache, try incognito mode, confirm regional availability, and contact your admin or Google support if needed. Work through those and you will be back into Flow in no time. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.